What am I doing? I'm already slacking on the job.
Huh? Like reminding you?
Yeah, I'm already slacking on the job.
Okay, I thought you were telling me that I'm slacking on the job.
No.
Reminding you.
I don't know. I wouldn't say that. Come on. You see, this is also like a 380. So
Okay, so is there like a ranking of like the second floor and the first floor?
yeah, usually it's like business class on the second floor
Right.
and economy class on the first
Like
floor.
the Titanic.
Kind of, yeah. There's our plane. She's pretty big.
Our plane she as well.
I believe so.
You know. Have you been on the second floor one?
No, I've never been on the second floor. I've only flown in this once.
Yeah?
Yeah, only once before.
That's so cool. So if you've only flown in it once, I've probably never flown in it.
Yeah, I mean, I guess so. Statistically, that makes sense.
Yeah.
Right?
True.